Alright guys, this is the way we identify pipes. And when you find yourself in a situation where the piping had already been done, so the client wants a different electrician to take over from the initial electrician that was handling the job. Though this one wasn't taken from any electrician, the building was bought like this. So the previous owner sold the building, and this building has been here for years anyway. So my client now is the owner of this building, so he asked me to come and take charge of the building. So this is what we found. So since the piping had already been done on the ground floor, so we want to start installation of the knockout buses for switches, socket, water heater, AC, and the rest of it. So this is the easiest way to identify the pipes. Bright, blow from that water heater, sorry, the cooker unit, this one here, yeah, blow. So you hear it this side, blow. All right, you come for DB, so that's it. Come for the rooms, we'll see this side. So this is how we identify. So this is, I believe this one is AC, so it will be repositioned. We no longer pipe our ACs like this, so there's no point of you showing your AC cable. Everything we do is conduit. So we'll bring this one down, we'll switch level as it's supposed to be, then we'll raise another one up. I will serve as an outlet for the AC, and that's where the AC will be placed. So over here is a socket, then this here will be removed and fixed properly. As you can see, it's not straight. And our TV is supposed to be mounted up, depending on the client choice anyway, or the occupants of this apartment, this room, if he would decide to place his TV on the table or place it on the wall. So we'll do it in such a way that if we tend to place it on the wall, there will be socket instead of flying pipes all around. And if you decide to place it down, there will still be socket down. So, and over here is the switch that will power the restroom and the water heater as well. As you can see, I believe the water heater is piped. Okay, it is up there, and it is obvious that the knockout box provided there is rocks, so it will be repositioned and done properly. So let's go. So this is it. So most of the ones we've checked so far, all of them are going through. So then we'll do the necessary correction. This one now AC. So this AC here, initially there was no restroom, visitors guest restroom, so they just made provision for it, and the initial electrician made provision for AC to be installed there. So this one now will be repositioned. We'll send the AC. The switch may likely be here, this side of the wall. Yeah, it will be by this side of the wall. Then the output will be up here. This one is the wall bracket, so we will no longer install wall bracket anyway. All our lights will be on the ceiling. We install POP after. So this one will no longer be in use. This is how we run our project. Blow this one, might see where you go. I believe it went directly to the distribution board. Blow. All right, I believe you can hear it. All right, it goes straight now. So that's it. Welcome to Kwambo Schools. All right, you will blow from that place. More know where that one come out from. You don't blow. Blow. Okay, come out for DB. Blow the other one, man. See. Go arrange this thing. Wow. Okay, down on TV. Come for kitchen. To arrange these pipes well. Just no pull box. Even DB. Blow this one. This cooker unit. Blow. Blow. Okay. No block. Blow the socket. Blow. Okay.